Ukrainian and Slovak constructors will start joint development of a new type of howitzers, President of Slovakia Zuzana Chaputova said during a meeting with Ukrainian leader Volodymyr Zelensky. In addition, their countries will start joint production of ammunition.
Slovakia massively helped in the military sphere. The situation is that we have provided everything that we could provide. We have progressed in our bilateral cooperation regarding the production of a new type of howitzer, as well as cooperation in the production of demining equipment.
Within 3 months, the German concern Rheinmetall intends to open a plant for the production and repair of armored vehicles in Ukraine. The company will manage the enterprise in partnership with the joint stock company Ukrainian Defense Industry. The plant plans to produce about 400 tanks per year. This was announced by the general director of the German concern.
Ukrainians have to help themselves. If they always have to wait for Europeans or Americans to help them over the next 10 or 20 years, that is not possible. Last week, German lawmakers provisionally agreed to buy 6 billion euros worth of ammunition from Rheinmetall, with some of that set aside for Ukraine. Armin Paperger, chief executive officer of Rheinmetall, in an interview with CNN.
The concern also undertook to train Ukrainians to service tanks and other armored vehicles.
The experience gained in repairing an unprecedented variety of American and European weapon systems could create a profitable niche for Ukrainian engineers to provide high-level maintenance services. Marta Keper, senior defense analyst at the American Research Center Rand Corporation, in an interview with Bloomberg.
In Ukraine, the construction of a plant for the production of Turkish Bayraktar drones has also begun. This was stated by the Minister for Strategic Industries, Alexander Kamyshin. Construction is scheduled to be completed by 2025. At the same time, Ukraine has already received the relevant licensing permits from Turkey for the full production of drones. Kyiv and Ankara signed an agreement providing for the creation of a plant for the production of Bayraktar drones in Ukraine in early February 2022.
The plant began to be built in practice and not on memorandums. This is the same large plant Bayraktar, which was agreed upon several years ago. Then there were stops. Alexander Kamyshin, Minister for Strategic Industries of Ukraine, in an interview with Bloomberg.
According to the minister, the Ukrainian military-industrial complex is gradually increasing its own production, in particular mortar and artillery shells and anti-tank systems. It is this weapon that is the main force in the war against Russia, Kamyshin emphasized. The next priority for Ukrainian industry will be the production of tanks and armored vehicles. This process can take 3 to 6 months. Reported by Roman Smoler, Christina Dombrovska, UATV News.